Hey everyone, now we are going to unbox this single parcel. So let me quickly open up. So let's open from here. Okay, inside we have a pouch. So let me quickly open up. And one more coin. That's all inside, nothing more. Here is I think this is a gifted coin. I didn't order this coin. So this must be a gift from him. Thank you so much, brother. So let's me open this what we bought this order. Okay, let me quickly open up. So the first thing I noticed here are some coins and a set. I think UNC set. So let me place it inside. This happens regularly, so it's normal. So this, and we have few more coins. Okay, we have some. I think these also must be a gift from him. I don't remember ordering these, so let it be there. So that's all inside, nothing more. Let me check what this is. This is a Italy set. You can see 6 coin set, and so let me check what this is. This is the proof of this set, I think so. Proof of this set, and another Italy, I think so. Yeah, it's Italy. Oh my god, I just pulled it off. You can see this tabler. So this one is for this set. So we have 2 sets over here. Let me see 2 sets over here, and let's quickly open this pouch. And inside we have, you can see, this is a US Mint, United States of America mint proof set. So this should be turned over like this, and you can see, oh my god, I think I have damaged, or some of it got damaged. So not to worry, coins are in good condition. $50, $1, 1 dime, 5 cent and 1 cent. I think there is no $quarter, I think so. Yeah, you can see this is $1, but there is no $quarter. Okay, so let me check these later. And we have got some PCGS graded. You can see the grade is PR69 and deep cameo. D cameo means deep cameo, deep. PR69 deep cameo, 2007. You can see 2007, $1. This is for George Washington coin, $1 coin, also graded, also almost top grade, 69. So this is a special one from the US collection, so let it be there. So we have 2 sets, nothing more inside. So let me quickly open this. So the first thing we notice is Mahatma Gandhi 10 rupee coin, a silver coin. You can see a beautiful UNC condition. You can say it's surely UNC. Okay, let me check this later. And we have few American coins, I think so. Yeah, let me open up. I think these are like old foreign coins, not new or recent ones. So here we have 1957 one dime means 10 cents in America. One dime of 1957. And the next one is 1 franc of 1916, you can see, and this is of France, so let it be there. So let me check other few small coins. You can see all small ones, but I hope everything is silver. 1 dime, and the year is 1964. 1 dime, so let it be there. And this one is a silver coin. Next, 3 pence, 1896, and at the back you can see Victoria, 1896, 3 pence. So let me check other collections. You can see 1940, 1940, again 3 pence of George VI King, so let it be there. And one more we got here is Ceylon, Sri Lanka, 10 cents, 1903. You can see at the back Edward VII King, also in a better condition. Usually we find less condition coins on market, so this one is better than usual collections. So let's check next. And here we have 10 ore of Sverige. I think it's Sweden, I think so, I'm not sure, must be Sweden coin. So let me check others. And one more we have here is 10 cents of Hong Kong. So let me figure out which side it should be. So this is the straight thing, Hong Kong, 10 cents. And at the back you can see, actually it's a coin, coin alignment, Victoria Queen. The year is 1898, you can see here at the edge, you can see 1898 Victoria. And one more collection we have here is British Indian silver coin. For the Indian British collectors and silver collectors, this one is special, half rupee, 1945. The special thing about this is Lahore mint. You can see the L mint mark at the bottom, you can see where I'm touching the L. This one is the mint mark mentioned during British period, and now this Lahore city is under Pakistan control. So this one is a special coin for British India. And yeah, as you think, this parcel is mainly for small silver collections. Sooner these all will be on sale on our website. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button. And I forgot to mention something here. Actually, I don't remember ordering these collections. I think he might have given itself like a gift, and it's a kind way to say nice doing business with you. That's all guys, hit the like button.